What is the signature when implementing JWT? Imagine sending a secret message that only you and your friend can verify. That's kind of what the signature does in a JSON Web Token. It's a special piece of data that proves the token is real and hasn't been changed. When you create a JSON Web Token, it has three parts: the header, the payload, and the signature. The header tells what kind of token it is and what signing algorithm is used. The payload contains the information about the user or the session. The signature is what makes sure everything stays trustworthy. The signature is made by taking the encoded header and payload, then combining them with a dot in between. Next, a cryptographic algorithm is applied along with a secret key or a private key. This process creates a unique string that is added to the token. For example, if you use an algorithm called HMAC SHA-256, the signature is created by applying this function to the combined header and payload, using your secret key. The result is a string that looks like a jumble of letters and numbers, but it's actually a cryptographic proof. This signature has two main jobs. First, it makes sure the token's content has not been altered after it was issued. If someone changes even a tiny part of the header or payload, the signature will no longer match when checked. Second, it confirms that the token was issued by a trusted source. Only someone with the secret key or private key can create a valid signature. When a backend server receives a JSON Web Token, it recalculates the signature using the same algorithm and key. If the new signature matches the one in the token, the server trusts it. If not, the token is rejected because it might have been tampered with. The signature is a vital part of implementing JSON Web Tokens for security and authentication. It allows the server to verify the user's identity without storing session data. Developers often use libraries that handle creating and checking signatures automatically, making the process simple and secure. Always use strong algorithms like HMAC SHA-256 or RSA SHA-256. Keep your secret keys or private keys safe on your server. Remember to validate the signature on every request that uses a JSON Web Token to prevent unauthorized access. Using HTTPS to protect tokens during transit and setting expiration times can also help keep your system secure. When using algorithms like RSA with public and private keys, consider managing your keys with a JSON Web Keyset endpoint for better control. In the end, the signature in a JSON Web Token is a cryptographic proof that keeps the token trustworthy. It ensures the data inside is intact and confirms who issued it. This makes JSON Web Tokens a reliable way to handle secure, stateless authentication in backend systems.